Hi there, and welcome to Blue Sky Beauty. I'm your host, as always, Victoria Fox, and Happy New Year! I wanted to start the new year on a really good note by doing a makeup inspired by one of my favorite characters of all times, and now a character from one of my favorite movies of all time. Into the Spider-Verse totally stole the show for 2018, in my opinion, as far as movies go, and Gwen Stacy, I have been waiting for her to be on the big screen for a very long time. So I thought it was about time that I did this makeup. Let's get started. First, we're starting off with the basics: foundation, concealer, powder, and brows. Now you'll add a bright pink shadow like Urban Decay's Cake to the top of your lids as well as your lower lash line. Pile this on heavy as you want a lot of pigment here. Fan out your edges with a clean and fluffy brush. Add some shimmer. Here I'm using M Princess's eyeshadow in Pretty Petal. Tap it out a little and add a bit more pink if your shimmer takes away from the pigmentation. Add some definition to your eyes by adding a maroon color like Urban Decay's Punk to the outer corner of both the top and bottom. Don't forget to blend. Now for some graphic liner. Using a mixture of a few Mehron Paradise paint colors and a thin brush, I'm giving myself a bright blue eyeliner. After lining the blue, I'm tracing its outside with some black liquid liner and adding my favorite mascara to finish it off. Define your face with some bronzer. Here I'm using Benefit Cosmetics Hoola. Add a bright pink blush like Elizabeth Mott's Peach Pink to the apples of your cheeks. Now add some killer highlight. Here I'm using a mix of Urban Decay's Lily and Pacifica Cosmetics Strobe in Nebula. I'm hitting the top of my nose, my cheekbones, the inner corner of my eyes, my brow bone, chin, and my Cupid's bow. For the lips, I'm adding a deep pink like ColourPop's Bad Habit. I'm then going over it with a bit of my pink shadow from earlier and some of my highlighter in the middle as well. If you want to be extra like me, add a fun spiderweb to your forehead. Here I'm using a thin brush and the blue I used before to outline the web, centering it to line up with my nose. Then I went in and added detail with a pink paint that matches the pink I've used and a black liner. Now it looks like you're ready to save the day in style. Well, here's our finished look. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys next episode. Bye!